If you are in need of a CPA, call Thomas Shelton. Thomas will give you the personalized attention that your situation calls for. He will help you navigate through the mountain of forms that the IRS throws at you, and he will show you what needs to be done. Best of all, Thomas Shelton can work with you to show you how to save money. Thomas has over 25 years of experience as a CPA, and so he is well versed in all aspects of financial reporting, account analysis, and taxation laws. He has the ability to analyze account balances, create budgets and forecasts, calculate payroll and payroll tax, and develop cost-saving programs that accomplish results. If you are located in the Memphis, Tennessee area, call Thomas Shelton today at 731-784-6561. You will be impressed with his professional knowledge and his down-to-earth way of working and relating with you. That number again is 731-784-6561. So call today or visit his website at thomassheltoncpa.com.